Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to turn off accepted follow requests, notification on Threads on Android. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to turn off this notification and keep your Threads notifications organized. Threads is a messaging app that allows you to connect with your close friends. It's a great way to stay in touch and share your daily experiences with your inner circle. However, it can be distracting to receive notifications for every accepted follow request on the app. Fortunately, you can easily turn off this notification on your Android phone. Here are the steps to turn off accepted follow requests notification on Threads on Android. Step 1. Open Threads app and log in. First, open the Threads app on your Android phone and log into your account. Step 2. Open Settings. Tap on your profile picture located at the bottom of the screen. Then, tap the two stacked lines in the upper right-hand corner to open Settings. Step 3. Access Notifications. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Notifications option. Tap on it to access the Notifications settings. Step 4. Access Following and Followers. Under the Notifications settings, you'll see the Following and Followers option. Tap on it to access the Following and Followers settings. Step 5. Turn off accepted follow request notification. In the Following and Followers settings, you'll see the Accepted Follow Requests section. Toggle off the switch next to it to turn off the notification. And that's it. You have successfully turned off accepted follow requests notification on Threads on your Android phone. Keep in mind that turning off this notification means that you won't receive any notifications when someone follows you on Threads. This can help you keep your notifications organized and reduce distractions. It's especially useful if you're trying to focus on work or other activities and don't want to be interrupted by notifications. In conclusion, turning off accepted follow requests. Notification on Threads on Android is a simple process that can help you better manage your notifications. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and thank you for watching.